Hi guys, this is Sadik from Dwarven.com, and in this video we'll show you how to bring back the old YouTube layout in 2024. So earlier, a couple of years back, YouTube had changed a layout. At that point in time I had made a video about the same, and once again YouTube has completely ruined the entire UI and UX, and once again we'll have to take the help of a couple of workaround to bring back the old UI. So with that said, let's get started. You may read my guide and check out the feedback and the views of many users. They are obviously not satisfied with the change, and why should they be? Because it's just not required. So with that said, the first course of action is to simply change your Google account. If you have multiple accounts, then the update is being rolled out in a slow manner. So as of now, not every account has the set update. So if your account does not have an update, then you may simply change your Google account from here and switch to a different account, and hopefully you might not have the update as of now. But if you only have one Google account, or if all your Google accounts have this new change, then let's get started with the rest of the fixes. In this regard, your first course of action is to install the uBlock Origin extension from the Chrome or Firefox or Edge. Simply get it for your browser. Once you have got it, installed it onto your PC in the web browser, and once you have installed it, click the extension icon and choose uBlock Origin, and from here hit the settings icon at the bottom right, and you will now be taken to the My Filters tab. If you're not in the My Filter section, make sure to go there, and under the My Filter section you will just have to copy these two filters. So copy the first filter and paste it here. Likewise, copy the second filter in the second line and paste it here, and then hit the Apply Changes button. Once that is done, now go to the YouTube website and do a reload. Upon a reload, you might get the old UI back. If that is not the case, then do a restart of the web browser and again see if you're getting the old UI back or not. If you are still not getting the old UI back, then you may also take the help of Tamper Monkey script. So in this regard, I have used the same Tamper Monkey script in 2022 as well. So let me show you. In this, you will have to first and foremost install the Tamper Monkey script manager. So go there, and inside this you will first off have to install the Tamper Monkey for your web browser. So as of now I'm using Chrome. So go there and then install the Tamper Monkey script from here. Click on Add to Chrome and click on Add Extension, and with this the extension has been added. Once that is done, let's now move ahead with the next step. So now you will have to go to the Greasy Frog website and install the script. YouTube proper description, to hit the install the script button, and once you do so, the Tamper Monkey will automatically launch the script. So just hit the install button, and Tamper Monkey will now install the YouTube proper description script. Once the script has been installed, you may now do a restart or reload of the YouTube site and then check if the issue has been rectified or not. Likewise, do a restart of the web browser and then reload the YouTube website, and you may then get the old UI back. If you are still not getting the old UI back, then you may also use the enhancer for YouTube. It's an extension which has completely modified the YouTube, and although it's along the lines of the original YouTube, but there are a few tweaks, but it's not the official YouTube. Still, it makes use of the YouTube API and get the job done. If you may use the enhancer from the following site. For Google Chrome, Firefox and Edge, simply go to the extension web store for your browser and then click on the Add to Chrome, and this is the UI of the enhancer for YouTube. It is the nearest to the original UI that you could get as of now. If you don't want to deal with the script and the flags, then you may simply install this extension and you may get the job done. So with that said, let me show you this as well. Let's add this extension as well, and once that is done, let me now launch it. So you may add extension, and from here let's select it, and this is the various options that you could tweak from, and you may choose all of these options and customize the YouTube as per your requirement, and you could choose this as well. So by default it is how it will look, and then is a custom script. You may skip this section, there is no need for this. Simply customize the requirement from here, and once that is done, once everything you have checkmark or unchecked, go to YouTube and open any video of your choice, and from here you may see the enhancer for YouTube, and now you may customize the view and the comment section, view, description as per your liking, and this is the toolbar that you will get from the enhancer for YouTube. You may customize it as per your requirement, and after that hit the settings icon, and then again you may control everything from here. You may enable or disable all the options shown there directly from here, and then hit a refresh, and hopefully you will then get back the old YouTube UI as well. It gives you complete control over the entire YouTube UI and UX. For some, it might prove to be a little bit complicated because there are quite a lot of options, but trust us, it's a steep learning curve, but the results are quite beneficial in the long run. So just to repeat, the 4 methods are as follows. In the first method, you just have to switch your Google account, and it might be the case that your secondary or tertiary Google account might not have yet received the update. So in that case, simply make a switch to any other Google account and check if you have received the update or not. If you have received the update across all the Google accounts, or if you have only one Google account and you don't want to make a new account, then you may have to take the help of these fixes. Regarding this, the first fix is using the uBlock origin. So simply install the extension and add these 2 flags and your task stands complete. Or apart from that, you may use the Tamper Monkey script, and using this script you will have to install this YouTube proper description script and then check out the result. Apart from that, you may also use the YouTube enhancer for YouTube extension, and this will give you a complete different UI UX of the YouTube. You may also customize the tweaks from here and then load the YouTube, and after that you may get the old UI back. So guys, these are the 4 methods through which you could get this job done. If you know any other workaround, please share with us in the comment section below. Likewise, all your queries and issues are welcome in the comments. And thanks a lot for watching.